Last flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for Menard County, southwestern Fulton County, Cass County, Schuyler County, Mason County, until 11:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Beardstown, Havana, Rushville, Mason City, Virginia, Petersburg, Athens, Ashland, Astoria, Bluff Springs, Greenview, Vermont, San Jose, Chandlerville, Tallulah, Aaronsville, Bath, Middletown, Easton, and Kilbourne. Easton, and Kilbourne.
It depends.